gonna play a little Genghis Khan tonight. We got Dragon Link Genghis Khan. This is a maxed out grand jackpot of 18,888. I'm gonna play a little different tonight. I have $145.05 in free play. Odd number, but you know, that's what I got. So let's see how we can do on free play. I'll start with 10 cents and here we go. So on this game, as you know, 6 of those fireballs gets the bonus, and then that dude right there, the Genghis Khan guy, 3 of those. Oh, close. Come on, free play. One more. Nice. There we go. That's a good little start here. Just one. Hello? Just one, please. Knock, knock. Thank you. So you just gotta be nice. Nice. Keep them going. Mini is $100. I like that. Nice. All right, we just need 2 more for 18,888. Come on. 1 more. 2 more. Ah, that was excellent, guys. Free play. You know, it's always nice to double your free play. So I'm gonna do 1 more spin here. I'm gonna go try my free play and see how high I can go. 1 more. And last one because I can. All right, let's stop there. Off to the next one, see how I can do on my free play. All right, guys, I'm continuing on my free play. I started with, I think, what, 145 in free play. I'm up to 278. I'm gonna do a little wild Chuco. Chuco? Chuco? I don't even know, dude. Something like that. All right, let's see how we can do. Let's go to 10 cent denom. It's already on there, but yeah, there it is. Wild Chewbacca. That's what it is. 10 cent. Let's go with some 250s. Got that volume up. This one, same thing. This one is 3 of the monies or 6 of those coins. Let's see how this free play does. Think I can get 500 in free play? Or make 500? 1 more. Nope. And that dude's wild. I need 6 of those coins. All right. There we go. All right. That is loud. All right. So here's what we got. We got these things. So let's see how we do. Here we go. Look at 8 games. All right. Nothing. Come on. Come on, wild Chewbacca. What do we got? 2 more. I'm gonna re-trigger. Oh, last one. Yeah. Well, nothing too exciting. So last backup spin. All right, you know what? Since I still have money in free play, let's go to another one. Let me see what I can do. All right, off we go. All right, everybody, continuing with my free play. Moved over to Sahara Gold. So let's see how we do. 10 cent, 250 spins. All right, here we go. Come on, free play. So same thing, you guys all know, balls are on this one. It is the, what is it, the little house right there. Need 3 of those. Oh, minis 100. Ooh. Getting close. Getting low, man. Gotta make a comeback. They have an amazing comeback. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, geez. That is an amazing comeback. Well, dang. Okay, now there's my comeback. So, I like that. All right, next machine. Here we go. All right, everybody, continuing on with my free play. Let's get this going. We got a little magic pearl.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you? All right, let me get this situated. All right, that looks pretty good. Let me scoot down just a smidgen. Snap that in there. All right, let's see how we do. 10 cent denomination, 250 bets, 3 of those guys or 6 of the balls. Let's keep this free play alive. Back to, there's my original free plays right about here. This is about my original, so let's see. What can I do? Come on, bonus. Oh, one more. Yes. There we go. Happy little dolphin. With some happy little clouds. All right, we got this. Let's get a big one. Give me a ball. All right, that's $5,000. Just kidding. Ball. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude. Okay. All right. Off to the next one. Here we go. All right, guys, let's keep the dream alive. Keep that free play dream alive over at High Stakes. Get that in there. All right.
Welcome.
Let's see what we can do. So, line that up. All right, so as you know on this one, 6 chips. Here's what we got on this one. I think what, 6 chips or 3 gold briefcases? Let's get it. Oh, thought we were gonna get first spin bonus. Yeah, or 3 of those gold briefcases. Oh, what's that minor? 500 bucks. Oh, come on, free play. Keep me alive. Oh, yeah, free play. All right, High Stakes. Make my free play proud. Free play proud. Wow, say that 3 times fast. Come on. All right, that's average. $28. Coin, man. Get a coin. Or a chip. Right? Chip, coin, whatever it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's not keeping me alive. All right, let's continue on. There we go. Oh yes, look at that. Almost back to back. All right, this time be nicer. Fingers crossed. Give me a chip, baby. Chip. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Dude. Last one. Horrible. All right, you know what? These are difficult to get back to back on. We still got money from free play. Off to the next one. All right, guys, continuing on with my free play. Come on, man, we got to do something. So let's do a little Bengal Treasures. This is the last of my free play. Same thing, 10-cent denom, $2.50 a spin. Here we go. Get that bad boy up. And this one is, of course, 6 balls again, and 3 of those Taj Mahals houses. I don't know. Yeah, that's not bad. 28 bucks, but just a little. All right, here we go. All right, here's what we're working with. Sorry, guys. So here's the jackpots on this one. All right. Get you right there, right there. Hang on. All right, continue on. Okay, we're back to my original amount, my original free play. Could be it. Couple more spins. Can we make it back from the dead? Alright, this could be it. Press bolt. Come on. Oh, well guys, the free play run has ended. It was fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and brush your teeth. See ya.